So I'm going to try to do a live stream here. Whether that works or not remains a mystery. But for now, let's assume that it's going to work. And I have found, if you watched my last video, I had some problems with the screen here. I have found a solution for that as well. So there was a problem with some settings on the software that runs this whole thing. So yeah, I'm going to try to do a live stream here, and yeah, let's just hope for the best. I'm gonna do a few checks here. I'm gonna check out my move this here. If that's gonna happen today. There you go. I don't know if you noticed that that YouTube thing here, but I was watching ASMR, which is weird for some people. Some people think it's really weird. I actually think it's quite relaxing. So if you haven't checked that out, go do that. ASMR. It's just I don't know how to explain it. And of course, as usual, I have my dogs here with me, as you can see, or hear. They can be moving around, stuff like that, interrupting me. I was going to check if this was live on YouTube. I forget how to do that. Live streaming. Of course, everything is going pretty slow here. Just give me a second, and then we'll begin. We'll begin our chat here. Alright, seems that we are live here on YouTube. I think my chat is, I think it's not working, the restream chat here. Let's open it up anyway. Verifying application requirements. This may take a few moments. Well, yeah, it seems like Sorry about that. Just taking a minute here to set this up. Should really do this before I turn on the live stream. That would be the smart thing to do. But then we won't have this cozy, unprofessional atmosphere. Alright, this is the stream health on YouTube isn't very good, so I'm going to give it a quick check here on my phone, and if this isn't working, I'll just do a video. I think that's the best thing. So I'm going to check it on Twitch TV /Forex viewers. Okay, let's check it out. Seems like we're running on the phone. Okay, so it seems to be holding. Then I just need the the computer to not be frozen. So Mr. Computer, if you could just stop being Okay, I'm gonna watch it here on the phone just to see if the stream holds. So, alright, the chat is up. We'll see if this thing works. I'm not gonna show you my password. Alright, so I have no idea if the chat is working or not. Seems like the stream is holding on Twitch, so that's good news. So let's get started with this live stream. I'm going to start out with talking about this Aussie cat trade I am involved with currently. So hello, TradingView, wake up. So this is how the trade looks like. I entered on a Gartley pattern, and I'm gonna show you why. Wow, this is lagging. This is lagging. Maybe if I let me try, let's try to refresh the browser here. Not sure it's gonna work though. Alright, fun times, fun times. This might end up being just a video. I have no intentions or desires to have a live lagging stream. So let's give it one more chance here, and let's see if alright, task manager, come up. Let's see if I set the priority on the... Ooh, page is unresponsive. Should we wait or should we kill? Where's the task manager? Here you go. Task manager. And this is all in German. Alright. CPU at 99. That can be good. So I'm gonna try to alright. Let's just Google Chrome. I'm just gonna try to change the okay. The CPU is getting really high, and we want the OBS to be high. Okay, let's see what this does. So, alright, a little faster. So this is how the Aussie cat trade looks like. This is a 4-hour pattern. We had no problems getting up to the 38 here. If I can see, if you can. So I have currently moved my stops to break even, like so. So this is no longer like here. This is right here. So I got in a few pips later. So so yeah, I'm still risking about 10 pips. So yeah, we just hit the 38, and we have moved the stops to break even. So risk-free trade. The other trade I was involved with was the Euro-Yen, as you can see right here. Now, Same thing, entered right here, didn't get stopped out. It's been a waiting game. This was on, I think, what's the 10th? No, the 5th. So it's been going on for quite some time here. What's the date? 12th? Yeah. So it's a, let's close that task manager. So it's been going on for some time, since the 5th of October. Today is the 12th, so the 5th is, do we have a calendar here? What's the 5th? Wednesday? Is it Thursday? I think, I don't know. Now I'm gonna show you. I'm out of this trade, even though as you can see right here, we did not hit the 618, and I'm always stressing about keeping or not taking profits too early, right? That's important, and I stand by that. Now, the reason for I started to manage this on the lower time frame. That's why I'm out. I did not exit the trade manually. I started to manage it on the lower time frames, right? So, and I got stopped out eventually. Now, the thing about why I decided to start to manage this trade on the lower time frames is this area right here. Now, if I drop a line, and I'm not saying that we're not gonna drop to the 618. The only thing I'm saying is, if I drop in a line here, we have some strong support right here. We have this cluster right here. We have the strong support right here and right here. We have some resistance right here, right here, right here. So overall, a strong level. And you can see that we dropped into this level almost exactly. If I just adjust my line, and you can see it right here, boom, 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 and right here as well. So I'm paying attention to the candles as well. We dropped in here, and we got a massive push to the upside. Notice that we are on a 4-hour chart. So same thing. We've touched again, and we've started to move higher here. But like I said, I'm not saying that this is the ultimate opportunity for a buy and we're gonna just reverse on the dime. I'm saying that it's a possibility, but we could also just hold here for a few hours or a day or 2 days and then drop. But I did not want to risk my my pips, any more pips than I needed to on this trade. Does anyone hate the new iPhone? What's it called? Update? Fucking hate that. So yeah, that's the reason. That's the reason for I started to manage it on the lower time frames. Now, there's nothing. It's not the same to start to manage trades as just taking a panic and seeing, oh, there's so much structure there. I'm just gonna take profits. I'm just gonna exit the trade. I actually got out of the trade with much less profit than I was in before I started to manage the trade, right? So I could have just exited right here and had, I think it was about 30 pips or something. You can see right here it's 50 pips. I'm sorry. Sorry about the nose thing. So yeah, I'm gonna show you how I managed this. See it on the 15 probably better. Right here I set my stops above these highs right here, and I got stopped out for, I think I got stopped out around here, around the 14s55. I can check it out later if you want the exact price, but when I got stopped out, I did not get stopped out by a I didn't get the market in my face and got stopped out. It was a pretty close call, and then we got the drop again once more, and you can see how we are respecting. Let's just remove this, and you can see how we are respecting this area right here, right? So a decent buy opportunity on the lower time frames. So right here you had the you could have easily had your stops above this 2 points right here, and you would got in an excellent risk reward on this, and the rest is history. You see that we came down right here, we got a little double bottom action, and then shot up to right here. Now the same thing might happen. Boom, this might be an excellent selling opportunity, hiding your stops above this guy right here, and shooting for targets down in here. So this might look for a shorting opportunity. Let's just say that we get a pin bar here and we short right here. The ATR is 10. Boom, 313. Let's say 14.9, just because I'm in the mood, and I would shoot for targets down in here. I mean, it's not necessary to maximize and get greedy. Obviously you could, but you would get your 2-to-1 risk reward shooting for the lows right here, or the highs or lows right here, instead of getting greedy and expecting or getting 10 more pips. I think it's gonna be harder for the market to shoot all the way down in here versus right in here. So but as you can see right now, it's gonna be an interesting 7 minutes here. If this forms to be into a pin bar candle right here, I mean, that would be an excellent short. We could obviously just break here, break above, and then none of this matters what I have been saying, but I'm kind of curious on if there's someone watching, if you could shoot me a hi or something into the chat, just because I want to see if the chat restream thing is working. So if there's someone watching, if you could shoot me a hey, what's up or something, just for me to see if the chat thing is working. I'm not sure if it is. So yeah, and I am out of the trade. My profit was 88.5 pips. So we can just round that up to 89 or 88 pips. The current pip amount. Check that out here. Let's remove this. And let's take this. So currently I'm up about 60 pips on the Aussie cat here as well. So hoping to get to targets right here. That would be pretty nice. Then I would get and this week would be about 150 pip week. If I do not enter any more trades, but of course we're always looking to enter more trades. So here you can see I'm kind of annoyed. I'm kind of annoyed that I didn't get I didn't enter the euro dollar trade. I think it's a nice. It's a nice analysis on my part here. I started to draw this in right here, and you can see how the market just respected the hell out of this time and time again. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 touches right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, almost 5 touches right here, and then we just synced. Right now, on the other hand, let's take a look at a different chart here. You can see two large patterns right here, and we can check out the daily charts for I have to get rid of some of these lines and stuff. What to do? Let's get rid of some of these lines in here. Get rid of this one. And let's destroy the channel. To do it like this. The beautiful channel we drew in. Let's destroy these lines. So like I said, I haven't gotten anything on the chat here. I'm not even sure it works. So if you are trying to say something on the chat and I'm not answering, it's just because I don't see it. So let's talk about these two patterns here. Trying to get rid of this task manager here. Close window. Thank you. Can we just close it? All right. So we have we have a bat pattern. I'm really interested in this bat pattern, or this area where the bat pattern completes right here. This is something actually I should post on to TradingView. I haven't done that just yet. I am kind of short on time as well, but we're okay. So right now, I was planning to make to have this day to be like a video day, because I am. We can check that out real quick. Let's see if the quality of the Excel spreadsheet here. Do you guys see that? So here's the money management / trading diary I made. I made a video on it a few days ago where I briefly explained what it was, but I noticed afterwards that the video quality was pretty bad. So and I mean, I guess the quality on this is a little better. It's not as good as I would have wanted it. But yeah, I was planning to make a. I'm gonna do a video, a detailed video on this spreadsheet here. Yeah, so I was gonna do like a video day for the third or fourth time, but yeah, I'm streaming right now, and I'm not sure on if I have the time. I really don't think I'm gonna have the time to do a detailed video. I want to have it pretty detailed, so like a tutorial basically. It's not that complicated. It's pretty much self-explanatory, but oh my god, the junk on this chart is pretty self-explanatory, but I wanna make it good. So, and people are starting to comment on the video, asking me for the spreadsheet, which is cool. But I think I'm gonna actually do a area where you can download the spreadsheet yourself. So if I'm not sending you the spreadsheet or not answering or whatever, it's not because I had seen it. It's just because I'm going to make a area on the website where you can just download it. That would be much easier for everyone. Let's draw in a trend line here. Well, what do we get from this? Can we extend it a little more? No. Well, so this would be a, whoa, what did I do? So just a line here on the chart just to represent where the market has been coming down and finding its structure, the support in this case. So as you can see, we have a bat pattern here, which I'm pretty excited for, but my problem is that I'm probably not. Let's see. Let's go 60. Yeah, it's just too large of a pattern. That's the problem. That is the problem. So there's too many pips to risk here. So, but I do have my area here where I want to. Let's just take this box right here, and it's a large area here, because I'm taking this this right here into consideration as well, and we have this massive area. We can go down to the 1 hour and start to find some entries here. So we did hold. Here's our red line, if you can see it. So we're starting to hold, forming this tiny cute double bottom here. I don't think the entry is here quite yet, but I do believe there's room to go higher, at least to right here. So I don't forget, I'm gonna so this could be my targets right here, and then it's just a matter of finding an entry for a long on the euro. I'm not sure how I'm gonna do that. Not sure at all. Seems like YouTube, the YouTube stream has gone down. Oh no, we're up again. I just want to see if we have a question mark on YouTube. Status are not supported for this platform. Alright, whatever. Chill out. No, just kidding. So yeah, we'll be looking for a long here on the euro dollar. And we have a hello. We have a frozen computer once more. It's just the CPU on the computer. It's off the charts. It's not. It's not good enough computer. Yeah, I'll wait. That's the I think that's one of the problems. One of the problems. Oh my god. Let's try to refresh this. Sorry about that. life. So I'm thinking about just calling it quits here. I mean, you can see that this is, let's kill it. This is bullshit. I think I'm gonna do I have some time left here before I have to do what I have to do. I have some time, so I think might do I might do a video on the sheet, on the money management, and create an area for you guys to download it. Since TradingView is not doing, I mean, I guess it's not TradingView, I guess it's my computer, which is not doing good things here. So I'm not at all satisfied with this stream, but what you gotta do, what you gotta do. We got through 3 pairs. Got to show you my Aussie CAD, my Euro Yen trade, and the potential buy for Euro Dollar. We'll see what happens on those trades. I'm sorry for, if you're watching the video of this, I'm sorry for how bad this went. It's a combination of many things. I have noticed it's the internet, it's the computer, it's the weather as well. I think we have really bad weather going on right now, so that might be contributing to how bad this is. I'm actually gonna just blame the weather. Yeah, I think that's a solid thing to do. Just blame the weather. It's blocking the satellites or whatever. But yeah, I think I'm gonna call it quits here. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm going to make a tutorial on the sheet and an area. Actually, I think I'm going to do the area first and on the website, and then the tutorial. So I'm gonna probably post that on just Facebook and stuff like that. So for you guys that want to download the sheet before the video, I'm not sure if I'm gonna have the time to make the video today. Maybe I will, maybe I won't, we'll see. But stay tuned on these platforms: Facebook, Twitter, Twitch, YouTube, all the stuff. And you can see that this is not acceptable. We're blaming the weather here for the for the destruction of this stream. But I will be watching the Euro Dollar for a buy here. So let's see what happens there. So yeah, I'll probably post this on TradingView if I get involved. So stay tuned, follow me on TradingView as well. And yeah, stay tuned for the tutorial on the money management sheet. And yeah, adios folks.